Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Home, Kitchen. Today you cannot find in any channel, white baklava and baklava with cocoa will be made together. Friends, let's do it together. 50 grams of margarine, hard flour for baklava making. You can add apple cider vinegar or grape vinegar. Add 1.5 tea glasses of water. A tea glass of oil, sunflower oil, 1 tea glass of water, add them into the deep bowl. Break an egg and add a pinch of salt. Add the flour little by little. See my friends, I add little by little. The amount of flour may vary depending on the size of the eggs. Let's collect the dough. After it hardens a little, let's take our dough on my counter and knead it until it becomes a good pulp. The dough does not get tired in a bowl, friends. A more beautiful dough gets tired on the counter. Let's roll the dough into a roll. Divide it into equal parts. It can be the size of tangerines. Roll the dough, put the dough aside. Yes, guys, let's collect the dough balls in your palms, put them aside. Let's show them again. We roll them like this and leave the doughs, and let's do the same process until the dough is finished. Friends, we prepared the dough balls. It will be open using starch. We definitely take one without using flour. Add starch, open it a little. Do the same process until all of the dough is finished. Refrigerator bag will be used. Add a piece of bag to our dough in this way and do it this way so that it does not stick. Yes friends, all of the dough is prepared. Now let's make our cocoa dough in the same way. 50 grams of margarine, I add our egg, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a tea glass of oil, 1 tea glass of water. Let's add a tea glass of milk, 3 tablespoons full of cocoa. Add some salt and whisk it well. Video it's a little long. Why is it long? 2 baklava dough recipes are given friends, so our video may be a little long. No problem, we need 2 doughs to make 2 color baklava together today. We gathered our cocoa dough. In the same way, let's take our dough on the counter, knead there until it becomes beautifully concise. Friends, I will write the ingredients in the explanations section. You can also review from there. Prepare tangerine-sized pieces. It will be more difficult because there is cocoa in the dough. Friends, prepare it this way. Roll it, put it aside again. Let's do the same process and we roll it as I show it one more, and set it aside. Yes, and let's add starch and open the dough again. Expand it this way and put it aside. Add starch to our dough again and expand it, put it aside. Yes friends, add the dough we have opened between the plastic bags. It needs a little rest like this. Now let the cocoa dough rest. Friends, let's get one. Let's start opening this way. Friends, if you watched my video until this part, I will be glad if you leave a small emoji or a small heart in the comments section. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel after this time. We fold it in 4 in this way. Let's make the large dough into square, wrap it in a very thin rolling pin, add the walnuts we collect from our own garden. It has a wonderful flavor because it is natural. Yes, let's fold our dough like this on the edge and wrap it completely. Cut into equal pieces and cut the baklava in the same length. Friends, let's roll out a cocoa dough in the same way. Friends, let our door and window be closed while doing this, because the baklava dough is thin, it can dry out quickly from the wind. Let's slide it into a square, add walnuts on it, wrap it in a rolling pin, wrap and squeeze it with both hands and make it a curved shape. Use one again as a measure, cut it in the same length. Let's place our cocoa dough, add a cocoa plane in this way. Now I divide the parts that will come to the edges of the middle in half, so I didn't want to miss any detail in your eyes. Melt 250 grams of butter, add it to our dessert with the help of a spoon. First, we will bake our oven at 170 degrees for 10 minutes, then on it we will cover a lid and put it on low temperature, a total cooking time of 1.5 hours. Let's make the syrup. Let's add 5 glasses of our water to our 5 glasses of sugar. Let it boil for 15-20 minutes, we boil it until foam is formed. Friends are in syrup, add the sherbet hot, baklava and sherbet both will be hot. Yes guys, let's rest for 2 hours with white baklava and cocoa baklava. He took the sweet sherbet into it. Let's move on to the decoration. I wanted to decorate it with pistachios. Tell our dessert, which is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, with the help of a fork, and bon appetit! Friends, how can I describe the taste of baklava, cacao baklava, which crumbles like sand even though it is white? See you in another video. Take good care of yourself.